How's it going, everyone? This is Phil from Fierce Technology. I'm going to tell you how to install the glass screen protector for your Hyundai Palisade. This installation video actually would work for many different models. You just have to buy the correct glass screen protector for your model of vehicle. But mine specifically is the Hyundai Palisade with the 10.25-inch screen. And this is the actual glass screen protector right here. And I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So let's go ahead. First thing we'll start with is you want to clean your screen. You want to make sure that there's no fingerprints, no dust marks, or anything like that. I really prefer the Whoosh screen protector cleaner. So this is made specifically for mobile devices or any touchscreen devices. I've been using this for years. It fully cleans the screens. I use it on my iPad and my phone and stuff like that. That we'll use that. I will link this down below if you guys want to pick this one up as well as the screen protector, just so you know what's going on in the video here. So let's go ahead and spray. There we go. And then we've got a little nice fine cloth, and we're just going to clean it off. And for the most part, this is going to clean this one very thoroughly. You want to make sure there's no dust specks or anything like that on there. Now, sometimes the cloth itself will leave little specks of dust and stuff. So that is why our next step, now that that's all cleaned off right there, is the dust remover stickers. So you want to grab these, you want to peel off one of those, and then you just kind of twist it just like that, or you just kind of put it in half. And then you just want to just go over quickly and see any specks of dust that I do see, we will remove. There usually shouldn't be too much, but you just want to make sure that nothing is underneath the screen protector. Now, the next step you do want to do quite quickly, because you want to make sure that you do it before any pieces of glass get onto the screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the little sponge, little squeegee thing here, or whatever this thing's called, this little thing. You want to put that on here, and that's going to just help you hold the protector itself. Then we've got the little sticker on the protector right here, and I'm just going to use this quickly, just any last second. See, in between that time that I was talking, we got a few specks of dust on here. That's why I want to mention you want to do this quite quickly. And let's go ahead and just peel that sticker right off on the back of the screen protector. And then we're going to hold this side like right there. And we're just going to position it just like that and make sure it's all properly aligned. And as soon as you see that it's all aligned, you just want to just press it and then draw a line in the middle. What that line is going to do, that's going to allow it to expand and heal. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the screen protector itself, it's expanding and healing right on to my screen itself right now. So there we go. So you can see the last bit, it's still healing. So that's all good. Perfect. So now we're just going to go ahead and just apply some pressure. We can take this little piece right off right now. So that's all done. And you just want to wipe down, and again, just apply a little bit of pressure all the way around. And any little bubbles and stuff that you see, like I see a little bit of bubble right there, you can actually just push it out. So we'll just push it just right there, and there we go. The little bubble piece is gone. And now I can see that it's perfectly aligned, which is great. That's exactly what I wanted. I don't see any specks of dust or anything like that underneath. We still see another slight bit of bubble. The bubbles are not a big deal, because with glass screen protectors, you can just push those bubbles out. It's not like plastic ones before, which really kind of heal underneath, and they're really hard to get those bubbles out. So any little bits of bubbles, just push out. Very, very good. And you can see that's it. We're perfectly on there. It's perfectly clean. And I'm going to go ahead. Does it work properly here? Oops, let's just let it load up here. There we go. Okay, perfect. Now it's working properly. Everything's good to go. And that's the installation guide for the glass screen protector on your vehicle. This one specifically, the Hyundai Palisade. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up. Also, remember, I will link everything down below that I used in this video for the installation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.